have fun, send it again. I'm wearing the champagne shoes I did a shoey out of.
treadwear. So this is the outside leading tire. We got really good tire wear. Obviously, I'm a little high on inflation because you'll see the edges of the tire is not worn as much as the center. But due to the bank, we're staggering pressures to get the car to float up there more because I don't make the big power like everyone else. So, but the tire is super consistent. So that's what we can ask for, is consistent driving is consistent winning.
Here we go, Nick Ward in the lead as he gets back on track. He's going a little bit shallow. We like to see him get higher on the bank. We see Sosa looking to read it and look for an opportunity to get that proximity back. You see Nick Ward driving down, getting back on that driving line, ideally what the judges are looking for as they come around. Sosa now dropping back, losing him a little bit on the transition, and Nick Ward now carrying it all the way out to the outside zone, doing a good job across the line.
Huge flick, but oh no! Makes him straighten himself out and causes a little bit of contact, but man, going into interclip 1, he's able to fill it out and diving into interclip 2. Here's Nick Ward. Nick the Fierce Ward going into outer zone 2, a little bit of a bobble in the chase, but staying in the pocket and riding that close proximity.
On the top 16, that was a good battle. BMW, similar in power, but we actually even bumped. But anyway, yeah, it was wild. So now it's raining.
Track's almost dry, we're going live. Woo! We're looking clear now, baby. What?
Ryan Kaufman in the lead, Sasha Prospero in the chase. Ryan Kaufman in the Taxi Garage FC coming in with a nice initiation, very generous, using that left foot brake to pivot that car around. Sasha is low on the bank to try to keep that proximity of that FC as he is going into this first interclip. Oh, huge momentum. Looks like he's off track, but he's able to keep control of his car so he could get to outer zone 2. Who is going to be going on to the next battle of this top 32 bracket? Sasha Prospero using that left foot brake to kind of try to get his car into outer zone 1. He is missing it, but Ryan Kaufman out there following the lead driver. A huge correction from Sasha that gets the absolute same result of Ryan Kaufman going into the middle of that infield. But here's Ryan Kaufman still in the...
Put pressure on Sasha.
Our last winner from last round coming over here. He is on cloud 9 right now. Just got into the Great 8. Has had barely any time in his car. First battle because you had seating bracket. Dude, How are you feeling? Tell the people what you told me.
I have not been this stoked. Even when I won first place last round, I literally jumped out after this battle with Sasha and I was like doing twirls in the air. I was jumping, I was flexing like I had muscles. Like, it was intense and it was exactly what I look for in drifting, which is that like super adrenaline rush that I live for.
Tyler has coming out here with that BMW to try to dive into the pocket right off the rip. Nick Ward is able to get into that first outer zone, getting a nice fill out on the first outer zone. And here's Tyler Hess being super aggressive. Nick Ward, oh no! Here's Tyler Hess coming out here with a weight transfer initiation. Oh, the huge surge from Nick Ward that forces him to go really low on the bank.
There you go.
Watch the rear. You got toe arm.
Here's the 17 wrench.
You got Tyler on it. It just needs to look straight.
We're not in a 5-minute call, it's just for the next battle. Here.
All the time.
That one's done. Here, take this bolt.
I need this in.
Hey, you have those templates? Me? Yeah, bottom drawer of my toolbox.
Go, bottom, go, baby, go, bro. Try this again. All right, are you good?
Bottom line or top line?
An eighth overall toe? We're sending it.
Drop the car, drop the car. You're out. Props to him. Tyler, that's his name. He's a great dude. Honestly, came down and in his race suit, came and crashed with us. Get GC's toe arm replaced. Shout out to Wisefab for making good quality parts that are easy to change on track.
Let's go! He out there! This is crazy!
Let's go.
Tyler Hess. Tyler Hess going to get a chase as we see them come into the first corner. Is Nick Ward going to have further taxi garage presses in this competition? They come out to the outside zone, diving down a little bit, coming lower and
They're rippers. They are rippers.
did it and went after the chase. So here we go. Tyler has the lead again. Nick Ward diving in, trying to do the aggressive play on the chase as he comes down, staying low so we can try to get nice and close again and chase it down as he comes through this transition. Tyler Hess dropping a little bit further off that keeping point as they come to the inside. Nick Ward using the opportunity. Tyler going wide to get nice and close, trying to put pressure on him, encouraging a mistake. Right here, Tyler getting away just a little bit more. And Nick Ward doing a great job showing his capabilities as a chase driver.
That was a good battle.
Me versus me, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. Taxi garage, let's go. Let's go, baby. Get him. Get it. Oh my God, dude. We've all been waiting for. How you gonna put taxi garage on the same side of the bracket?
Bro, I didn't do dog. I don't know.
was you.
It
I
wasn't
saw
me.
you.
I'm not judging. I ain't doing Good job, bro. That's epic, bro.
Absolutely.
Dude, great sportsmanship and drifting,
Hell yeah,
helping
yeah.
each other out. Love to see it.
This is what you've all been waiting and watching. And Ryan and Nick, top 8. Battle of the teammates.
The Taxi Garage teammates battling it out. You've seen their viral videos. Ryan Kaufman in the lead, Nick Ward in the chase. A huge surge from Nick Ward to keep that close proximity and letting Ryan Kaufman know, hey, I know you're in the lead, but I'm gonna knock you off that lead in the season standings. And then Ryan Kaufman just gaps Nick Ward in the infield, but then going into second outer zone, beautiful angle from Ryan Kaufman, but Nick Ward is able to surge in knowing what his teammate can do behind that wheel. Here we go, Nick Ward in the lead, chase. Taxi Garage teammates coming out here. Initiating Nick Ward to the pocket. Nick Ward misses the inner clip 1, going to inner clip 2. He does fill that out. Here's Ryan Kaufman surging right into the pocket, getting doors all the way around outer zone 2. Good proximity, feisty battle.
Oh my God! That was so much fun. I'm so glad we finally got to battle in our cars, like for real. It was a battle.
That was so
Dude, motherfucker.
All right, now you have to win.
Tires?
Yeah, now you gotta take this
I'm in top 4, bro.
get it.
Again.
Let's go.
Ryan Kaufman in the lead. Eric Nogueira in the chase. Winner moves on to the battle of first and second place. Ryan Kaufman coming in with a nice initiation, going to that first outer zone. And is he able to put one tire in there? Yes, he does. And Eric Nogueira keeping that close proximity as good as possible, filling out both zones. Oh no, it looks like Eric Nogueira fell off a little bit. Now he's going to shallow up angle to close in that proximity and get that door-to-door lap of this battle. Eric Nogueira in the lead, Ryan Kaufman in the chase, giving him room on the initiation, and Eric Nogueira bobbles a little bit on that first outer zone, then falls out of outer zone 1, and then trying to reel his car back into outer zone 1, and now huge angle, but missing inner clip 1, transition into inner clip 2, able to fill out that zone. Now going to outer zone 2, here's Ryan Kaufman reeling in Eric Nogueira throughout the final outer zone, oh, and punting that outer cone.
One more time, holy sh**. Holy
Here he goes in the lead, coming in with that RX-7. A nice flick going into that first outer zone, but here's Eric Nogueira shallowing up angle so he could get that proximity, and oh mercy, Ryan Kaufman gets a close proximity to that first outer wall. Inner clip is good, inner clip 2, Eric Nogueira gets, too much angle, forces him to fall back as Ryan Kaufman is going through that second outer zone. Here we go. Ryan Kaufman in the chase. Eric Nogueira in the lead. Nice initiation.
What do you guys have to say? Woo! Good job, bro.
To the ship, baby, to the ship.
One more battle. One more battle. Pour champagne and take a sip.
Lucky blender.
Taxi Garage in the house.
This is your finals. Ryan Kaufman's going to lead first. Lewis lands in the chase, really close on initiation as Ryan Kaufman gets up to the top. It's the previous champion against this current points leader. As they come across the first corner, he's doing a really good job being have that let down like second nature. As they come across this last zone, Ryan Kaufman's looking to really pour on the sauce, get some angle, get some smoke. He comes across the line, and Lewis lands was pretty close and pretty consistent. You've got to be able to try and keep some distance. And meanwhile, he's still doing it with some good composure. Here we go. Lewis Land's leading. Ryan Kaufman starting a little further back. Lewis Land staying up top, locking up a little wobble. Ryan Kaufman drops down to close that gap and get caught down. He wants to be right there as they come through the transition. In this first clip, Lewis Land takes it out. Ryan Kaufman diving on the inside, right back into the pocket. As they come across the outside zone, Ryan Kaufman's looking to glue it back in. Within a couple feet, Ryan Kaufman is towing behind.
That was insane.
Holy shit.
How did you guys like that event?
Woo!
Oh my God.
What the
Awesome. What do you guys want to hear? Third place, Eric. Get on the podium. Absolutely, man.
Congrats, dog. Killed it.
And I don't want to butcher this, but Ryan Kaufman gets third place. Lewis Land gets second, coming in an absolute
Make it count, baby.
Woo! He's going on his
He
car.
got the name right this time.
First place, baby, round 3. Might have a license after round 4. I don't know what to do with it.
He's back to backy. He's gonna do a backy.
You know what happens? You make it happen, bro.
Champagne showers. Back to back, though. I just can't not say it enough. I just want to have fun.
Bro, the fact that it's with this car,
what I have. Yeah, that's f***ing everybody up because the RX-7 is a piece of shit, and somehow it's working right now.
28 entries. Alrighty guys, we got something really exciting to announce. We'll be giving away one of our Taxi Garage Stage 4 Crazy Cart. Every $5 you spend on carts, parts, Taxi Garage merch gets you entered to bring this bad boy home with you. Follow me. All these great products will get you entered, just like this Stage 4 Naoki Crazy Cart. 600 entries. XL Skyline Stage 4 Crazy Cart. 770 entries. Taxi Garage Wide Casters. 52 entries. Taxi Garage Starter Casters. 28 entries. 900 watt motor upgrade kit. 282 entries. 4 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 entries. Including tires. CST 4 entry. Kenda 4 entry. Navi 4 entry. Solid 5 entries. Super Solid 7 entries. This includes everything on our website, from stickers all the way to fully built carts. All orders from now until October 15th automatically get you entered. Good luck, and thanks for sending it with us.